We're back on the Brute series, and for this installation, we're going to be using the Rubber Down Customs 2-inch lift for this Brute. A lot of people ask what kind of lift that this is. It's just a bracket lift. Very easy to install, man. This thing's going to go on in a couple minutes, but it's going to give us 2 inches of lift. It will affect the driveline angle just a little bit, or the front axles a little bit, but very slightly. It's not going to put a whole lot of extra abuse onto those. These just go on your shock towers, the very top, and it's going to just drop them about 2 inches. It's going to give us that extra clearance we need. We've got 28-inch Mega Mayhems coming for this, and we need some real rubber on here. So we're going to get these on. Very easy to do. All you got to do, jack up the bike a little bit. Just take a little, is that floating there now? Good enough. Pop these babies off. And we just had these off because we installed these Bronco shocks. Two. Now this is as easy as it gets. Some lifts are very complicated. Not this one. Push through. Go there. Now we're just going to leave all this loose until we're ready to tighten stuff up. Now these shocks are a little tight to get in. I had to use a little helper friend. You know, you just sort of put that through and straighten things out, and then it's good to go. That's it. That's the front. Now we're on to the back. Before I forget, we are an authorized dealer for Rubber Down products. We can get you this kit in Canada, the United States. We'll ship worldwide for you. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give us a big old thumbs up. Check us out on social media. I had to say all that. Now this has got to come out. We need to undo these sway bar mounts so we can install our spacers in there. A little tight with our new skid plate on there. Now this is like most things, you know, you want to install everything really loosely and then tighten it up again in the end. Just always seems to work way better that way. You just put this in, lay it across the frame member like that, get your spacer started. Start to chuck that at the back. That just pokes right in the back. Just lower the bike and then we'll just slip in, no problemo. Yeah, the key is to do your shocks up, lower it, and then get these started. And that's it for the Rubber Down Customs 2-inch lift kit on this Brute Force. Thanks for watching as usual. It is actually quite a bit noticeably higher. You gotta come back because we're gonna do a couple different things. We're gonna do a rad relocate, but we've also trimmed out these fenders. Look at that. You know, compared to this other one over here, there's quite a difference. So we're going to show you how to do that. We're going to trim up the back here too. Just let the mud fly. Their little mud flaps come off there. Mud flaps, doesn't make any sense. So we're going to trim that out, gone, and make a bunch of other changes, of course. Thanks for watching. Keep coming back. That's wicked. That looks great, man.